Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to solder this battery with some tip on both ends, because I intend to use this battery as a test battery, meaning I don't intend to use it to install on any 3.7 volt powered gadgets. Okay, this is the positive, the one with the smaller circle, and this is the negative, the one with the bigger circle. Okay, let's try it. First, let's build up something on this. Let's also build up something on this. Okay, this is how it looks like. This is the positive. It's sturdy now. This is the negative. Okay, so let me demonstrate to you how we can use this. This is the positive. Let's connect this. This is the black, goes to the negative. On this speaker, this is the negative, the positive, the red. This is the negative. Okay, let's try to turn it on.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Okay, so this is an example of how you can
The Bluetooth device is
use
connected
this
successfully.
as a test battery if you don't have the battery housing yet. So this is one of the example of it. Okay, I'm not going to play any song because I might just get copyrighted. Okay, let me show you another one. Okay, so let me use my other probe. This other probe has a different tip. It doesn't have an alligator tip. Let's put the black on the negative, the red on the positive. Then let's test this light. The positive is the red, the negative is the black. Okay, so those are the examples of how you can use this 3.7 volt battery with an extra tip on both ends for the alligator clamp to hold on to. Okay, so I hope you like the idea. Thank you for watching and see you on our next video. Bye.